How to add bookmark in Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser. And once you do that, navigate and go to the page that you want to bookmark. Say for example this one right here. Once you're there, all what you need to do is just click on the bookmark icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, which is this one right here. And as you can see, the page has been bookmarked. In order for you to find it, all what you need to do is click on the three dots at the bottom right and then click on bookmarks. And here you will find your bookmarks, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can bookmark in Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.